Hi, my name is Serena. I'm the Medical Affairs Manager of Smart Respiratory, and today I will show to you how to use the Smart Rescue Inhaler. First thing, you need to take your smartphone and download the app. The name of the app is Smart Rescue Inhaler. It's available on iOS and Android system. And then after that, open the box. Take your Smart Rescue and remove the little plastic that you find inside. Take your inhaler and put it on top of your inhaler. After that, you can take the puff as normal. And then you need to do the readings. Smart Rescue is working with the NFC technology. The NFC technology is the technology that allows you to pay with your phone. So what you need to do is open the app. And if you have an Android, what you need to do is just touch the back of the phone. So here you can add the name of your inhaler, you can add the type, reliever or maintenance inhaler, select the brand, and if it's a new inhaler, counting from 200. Otherwise, you can press this section because the app will remember how many puffs are left into the canister. That's for the Android, so is straightforward. For the iOS, once you open the app, what you need to do is press this button, read the rescue, and touch the back of your phone. And in this case, the same the same screen will appear in your app. Remember that different phone can have a different NFC spot. For the iPhone, normally is on top. For the Android, is in the middle. After that, you can share this information with your consultant by pressing this button, the sharing button, that will allow you to send a report via email. The app is counting how many puffs you take and how many are left inside. And when arrive at the red bar, means that it's time for you to reorder your medication. If you have any question, you can send an email to me at serena@smartrespiratory.com. Thanks for watching the video.